feeling very punk today, so I want my hair to match my mood. Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome to a new video! Oh! Okay, so I've already done a mohawk once before. It was a while back. I had very short hair. It looked like this. I also like spray painted it a rainbow color. But I've never done Liberty spikes and I absolutely love those. Oh my god, I think they look so cool and I really want to be cool too. So today I'm going to see if I can defy the laws of gravity and get my hair to stand up straight. So this is my starting point, my super long and luscious hair. Oh my god, I can't wait for it to reach my butt. I mean, I have to wait because it's gonna take about 10 years. But imagine me with like super long hair. Oh my god, that's gonna be amazing. I'm gonna be so powerful. But yeah. So, I think the first thing that I need to do is like section my hair off. By the way, I have no idea how this works. I did not look up any tutorials. I'm just gonna wing it because I like winging it. But yeah, I think I just need to like section my hair off. So then we can like see how many spikes I'm gonna have and like where I'm gonna place them. I got a shit ton of elastic. So these I'm just gonna make sure that they're separated. And then on to the rest. Let's see how I'm gonna do this. I think these are pretty nice sections. Let me see in the mirror. The back's probably not gonna be too great, but who cares, you know? Look at this! I look crazy! I mean, even though this is a wild hairstyle, I'm kind of digging this. I don't know. I feel kind of cute. Let's section the sections off. Sectionception. Okay, yeah, sure. And then we're gonna start with this bad boy. Let me drink some water. Oh my god, I just realized that I probably don't have enough hairspray. Shit. I should have bought another bottle. It's like up to here. Are we still gonna try it? Yeah. I think the first step is take this section out. And then backcomb it. And then some hairspray, backcomb a little bit more hairspray, blah 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 blah. I think like that. Maybe a little bit of hair gel to like make the ends pointy. I gotta zoom out though, because otherwise you can't even see what I'm doing. Let's start with the backcombing. I think this is probably even worse for my hair than all the bleaching I've done combined. Hairspray. And I should probably also blow dry it, because this is gonna take forever to dry. How is this gonna stand up straight? Do I have to use even more hairspray? Oh my god. It actually works. But I actually also need to use way more hairspray. What if I use the gel on there? Because I've got enough gel. Let me try. Oof. One spike is done. It's not like the most stable thing in the world, but neither am I, so it works out. Let's do this bad boy. think the secret is to have a very strong base and then like the rest will follow. So I'm gonna tease it a lot. Just like my brother used to do to me when I was younger. Okay, so that works. Oh my god. Do I look cool yet? Okay, I think I'm just gonna like smooth it down with some gel because these pieces just, I don't know, they don't really wanna do the thing that I want them to do. So I'm just gonna get a little bit of gel. This. I think we gotta like manage our expectations a little bit. The end result of today's video is not going to be perfect. I mean, nobody thought it was gonna end up perfect. Today is just going to be like a trial and error, you know? It's very hard. It's very hard to do, especially with how long my hair is. If I hold my head up straight, it's just gonna fall over, and if I look to the front like this, it's gonna stand up straight. Oh yes, I'm reading my phone. Oh yes. Wait, what were you saying? Okay, whatever. No! I feel like I should have probably started from the back because I keep touching the other parts. Oh my god, my arms are sore. Help. Sick boy. Let's continue. Ow. 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 Oof. Oh my god, I can't reach it without like ruining the other spikes. Like this is... How do people do this? I do not understand. Oh my god. Do people just have like very long arms? Or... Okay, yeah, like that. Maybe I should have made some smaller sections. Maybe that is kind of where the problem lays. I don't know. This was supposed to look super cool, but I am just looking like a clown right now. I'm gonna cheat a little bit, don't tell anybody. And put like a clip in here, because I feel like if I clip it over here, it's gonna stand up straighter. Yeah, I mean, I'm just gonna hide it so nobody really sees it. Ah! Wait, everything is falling down. Oh my god, why do things never work? Let's try the front section. Oh shit! This one is nice, boy! That is definitely the best one so far. Which means there is hope. There just isn't enough hairspray. I'm gonna use the hairspray that I have to kind of like see if I can make them better, because it's crazy right now. It's not really doing the thing that it should do, except for these pieces. Like these are hella sick, boy. This actually, I mean, it looks crazy, it looks bad, but also it kind of works. Oh my god. This is absolutely insane. This is so crazy. I cannot believe that my hair was able to do this. Look at it. This is insane. This is actually... Oh wait, my lens is dirty. Watch how I have to go through a door right now. It touches everything. This is actually so funny. It's fucking insane. I honestly think that this looks pretty sick. I mean, yeah, it is like really messy and my hair just looks like matted right now. Like, it doesn't really look that good, but the overall vibe is hella sick, boy. This is so cool. I'm really not mad at it, like at all. I think it actually looks pretty sick. I have no idea how I'm going to take this out of my hair, but I'm happy that I put it in my hair. It's actually like very sturdy too. Like, especially these ones. They're crazy sturdy. Yeah, anyways, this is today's video. I am very happy with the end result. I do want to try it again though, but then make sure that I have enough products. Because like I said, out of hairspray, it's gone. I think if I would have had another bottle, I could have made this like perfect. But for now, I'm very happy with what I've done today. So yeah, let me know what you think of it. My hair is so long. I mean, it would have probably been better if it was a little bit shorter because this is looking insane. But I like the challenge. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you think of it. And I hope to see you in my next video. Kiss, kiss, bye bye, ciao, ciao. Kiss, kiss, bye bye, ciao, ciao. Bye.